All right, hi everyone. Here's part two, the video about long division. Okay, so here's the example at the bottom of the page. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take this polynomial and divide it by this root. So let's rewrite the divisor, the dividend underneath. Okay, and let's double check as we go that it is in standard form. Well, highest exponent to lowest. Do I have any missing terms? Nope. So I'm good. I'm going to write it underneath the division sign. 2x plus 1. Now, this one looks slightly different from the example above, okay, because my root has this 2 in front. It's not a big deal. So the question is, how do I make this 2x look like 2x squared? So the coefficients didn't change. So I'm not multiplying by a number. I am, I guess it's 1, but how many more x's would I need to multiply by to get to x cubed? And it's x squared. Okay. Now, like before, I'm going to take that red x squared and I'm going to distribute it to both of those here and here. So x times 2x, x squared times 2x is 2x cubed. Then x times 1 is a positive 1x squared. I'm going to do the subtraction, and I like putting the parentheses because I think it calls stuff out pretty good. 2 minus 2, the x cubes go away. Negative 9 minus 1 is negative 10x squared, and I'm bringing the next term down. Okay, so I'm going to switch colors here just to make it kind of stand out from step to step. Okay, so again, the question goes, how do I make this 2x look like that negative 10x squared? Okay, so my coefficients are changing. What would I multiply 2 to get to negative 10? I'm going to multiply by negative 5. How many more x's would I need to multiply by? Well, x times x would give me that x squared. So that's minus 5x. So I take it, distribute it to each piece. Negative 10x squared minus 5x. Put it in the parentheses and do the subtraction. Negative and negative becomes positive 0. I mean, well, it's not positive 0, but it comes out to be 0. So they go away. 7 minus negative 5, minus minus becomes plus. So 12x, and I'm going to bring that 6 way on down. Okay, so the last step, and I'm going to declutter a little bit, get rid of these orange rainbows. Okay, again, the question goes, how do I make that blue 2x look like 12x? Well, 2 times something gets me to 12, and it's 6. So let me actually get rid of those underlines just so they're out of the way. So plus 6, and I have x to x, so I don't need any more x's. So now distribute to both of them. 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract it, and I get a remainder of 0. So this is a root based on the original problem. So I know 2x plus 1 is. And this answer right here, x squared minus 5x plus 6, would give me the other roots. Now I have to do a little bit of work to find those other roots, right? Because I wouldn't know necessarily how to plot this. So we got to look for numbers that add and multiply. We're going to factor. So 2x plus 1. And then to get this, I mean, the question is really just saying, hey, what's the answer? Well, that x squared minus 5x plus 6 is. But to get it to fully factored form, we'd go x minus 3, x minus 2. And that's because now if we asked you to graph this original polynomial, I know I have a root at negative 1, 0. I would have a root at 3, 0, and a root at 2, 0. And that's the entire point, guys, is the division of polynomials is to get where your polynomials cross the x-axis. Okay? So the next video is going to have a remainder. So just check that out. Thanks.